I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet, I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself in.
Good morning, Madison. Get your blankets and your water bottles off the floor. Good morning. Where's your jacket? We have to go see Grandma. We're gonna go see Grandma.
Yeah.
Grandma, say Grandma.
She actually said Grandma. That is nice. Ow!
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So we're going to go surprise Grandma. Well, it was supposed to be a surprise. I told hubby, let's go surprise his mom. You know what he did? He called his mom and told his mom we were coming. So it's not really a surprise anymore. It's just that man. He doesn't know anything about surprise. But I need to take my hair out, but I'm too lazy. And I don't want to deal with my natural hair. But so it's going to be a hot mess until I take it out. I don't feel comfortable having the dishwasher running. Okay. While we're not here. But, son. That's what we're getting ready to do, is head to, into Maryland. So, where's Maddie's jacket? Let's go. Look at this trash in my car. Look at that.
I brought that.
They create trash.
No, Mommy. I brought
I gotta clean out my car tomorrow. If the weather is nice, I gotta clean out my car. Put your belt on.
Guys,
Now, ASAP.
Me?
Jackson.
Oh, I need this thing.
Put your belt on, dude.
I paid a credit card. Credit card.
You found a credit card?
It's expired.
Take that.
It was expired.
Yes, I'm thinking about turning this little one around, but and then I have to wash. I can't wait for it to warm up so I can wash this seat because it's dirty. It's dirty. Dirty buns. Dirty. Okay. Got your belt on? Got your belt on? Put your belt on. We're full. My car is so dirty. All the salt. Oh my gosh. I need a car wash.
The car thing.
We still have snow on our driveway. On our thing. Look at the ice. You need to slow down, honey. Look at the ice on the mountain, guys. Like legit ice. Not just snow. Just... See the ice?
Listen.
Yeah.
Look at that ice. Oh, look at that. Oh. It's pretty. Oh, man. Our state.
We're in Virginia now.
Let's see water, baby.
So pretty, guys. So pretty. So we made it to Laurel. Just had dinner. We had tripe. I don't know if you guys know what that is. And if you're Spanish, it's mondingo. Something. How you say that in Spanish?
Mondongo.
He just left. But yeah, we made it to Laurel. And I'm about to go take me a nap because I'm tired. Even though I had coffee while on my way down here, I'm still tired. I don't know why I'm so tired, but I'm going to go take me a nap before we go back up the mountain. I'm tired. What do you need, Mama? What was that? Yeah? Let me see your hands. Are they cold? Come here. Let me zip up your jacket. It's cold. Let me zip up your jacket. You have your chest all exposed.
Can I take my jacket off?
No. Zip up your sister's jacket for me, please. Zip up yours.
I'll just
Guess what, guys? It's really nice outside. I was telling you guys I needed a
No, I don't have soap.
thing, but at least it's getting washed.
It's just water.
Hello, guys.
So he's washing my truck for me.
Hi, guys.
It's better than having all that salt on it.
Here, Maddie.
Thank you, buds.
Hi, guys.
Is it gonna leave white streaks? Yes. See? I didn't even have to go get a car wash. You're removing the snow.
Back. Hey.
She's removing the snow.
Cassie? Cassie? Cassie?
It's like, no. What do you think this is?
Hey, thank you. Why, thank you. Wait, Maddie. Okay, put snow in.
Look at my baby. I still can't believe I have a red truck. I never thought I would ever own a colored vehicle other than black, silver. Yep, it's gonna leave white mark everywhere. Look at that. It still has white streak everywhere, honey.
Wait, I'm coming.
Yeah, this is not gonna work.
Excuse me. Stop.
So we're on our way back home. It was a good visit. It was much needed. Hey, look here, my phone is a bit crazy. It was a well-deserved or much needed trip down. Enough time to get home and get our house in order for school tomorrow. Because the weather is nice, so I'm pretty sure there is school. So that's what we're getting ready to do, is head home. Guys, we're home. We're back in our own little look. I miss this. I miss being able to just come and walk. We used to walk everywhere around here. There's some $1 million homes back there. Oh my gosh, I miss this.
Oh, the kid drowned here.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, there go the $1 million houses over there.
She's like, okay, I've never seen
I
that.
know, she's like all in the video. Like, the $1 million homes are back there. That's where we told you guys that we weren't
She was like,
gonna do.
I've never seen you guys before. What are you doing here? Well, we've been
And then a little boy died in this lake right here. It was my niece's classmate. He died
I know how that.
in this pond right here.
My classmate. Your niece's classmate.
And then more $1 million homes. These are condos.
Two boys like three
But
were
this is
walking
what we
on the
weren't
ice.
willing to pay for. We weren't willing to pay
All my friends are slipping and drowned.
for no space. Like,
All my friends and said, like,
yeah, oh, we've been here before. This road was open and those were built back there. So this is where we spent how many years? 9?
9 years.
9 years. This is what we spent 9 years. And I can
I know it.
openly show you guys where we used to live, because guess what? We don't live here anymore. So it's beautiful. It's really nice.
Kamea.
So pretty. I miss it. I miss it. I miss it. I miss it.
Where's that big hill that used to be right here?
And just like that, we are home. You know that feeling you get when you're so used to something and it feels like home? This feels like home. This is it right here. The village is at the Coverly. Yes, this is where we used to live. Yeah.
I remember the pool because I saw it.
Here we go. This is gonna make me cry.
We haven't been back since.
We haven't been back since.
Nothing changed at all.
Oh
That
man.
car been there? That car, that Jeep? That ducks. Oh yeah.
Oh my word.
I see. Oh, Isabel. Jack. Oh, they have a girl.
Someone lived in our unit.
Mm-hmm.
They used to be our unit
What house
right
were we
there.
in? Oh, I see them.
We used to live right there.
Where's that green bin? Complex.
Oh, these are finally finished. These are
Even they made a
expensive
word on it.
for no reason. They're finally done.
They made a word
Wow.
on it. I said I'm going to hair studio just for free samples.
Yeah.
Free
Oh, they have gated parking.
They have gated parking? Oh,
inside.
this is nice.
Whoa.
Yep, this is the Harris Teeter. We used to shop a lot. This is our Starbucks. This is our LA Fitness.
Teeter. I never went to LA Fit.
Our bank was right over there.
So cool.
And
Starbucks.
this was just our life. We don't have this anymore. We don't have this anymore.
Starbucks
And
coffee.
I'm sad. But you see this, guys? Look at all these nice cars. You know we're home when you see the nice cars. Yeah. Yeah, we're home.
And the idiots that drive them.
There's lots of Indians here now.
Oh yeah, we're home. We're definitely. Look how congested this is. Yup. Welcome to Maryland.
Everyone's squished. I don't want to go inside.
So we're stopping to get
Little Caesars.
pizza. Oh man. For dinner. We've been eating out a lot because we're not home. We're never home. So now I'm waiting for hubby to. I'm tired. I'm still tired. And look at this. Like wine.
Hi. Mommy. No.
I love you.
Is there any charges I need?
Super Bowl come on tonight, 6:30. We have an hour. Daddy is. We have an hour. So
Super Bowl.
who are you guys betting on? I'm not into football, so I just want some wings. That's all. I just want some wings.
And I want it. I got it. And I don't want it.
Bring my food here.
Really? Really? Do that. Okay.
So we're home. I just did a grocery haul. Now I have to put all that stuff away. So stay tuned for a grocery haul. I spent $95. And this should last us for 2 weeks. But I also have to go get meat because I don't have any meat. I went to Harris Teeter in Maryland. And because I get an additional 10% off because my sister works for Harris Teeter, I figured why not. So I spent $95 on dry goods. Now I have to go to Walmart, probably spend another $20 for meat for this week. And then another $20 for next week. That's like $40, so $145 for 2 weeks. So we're doing good until hubby can get back up and running. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and watch TV with hubby. But anyways, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.